Shika, Namaskaram, Ola, Vanakkam, welcome back once again to my channel, guys. I hope you all guys are doing really great. And if you guys are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Rihanna Diwan. I love to make videos. I love you guys so much. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove your blackheads and whiteheads in just 2 minutes. Yeah, baby. In just 2 minutes. So if you guys really want to know, then without much further ado, let's get started. So first of all, take a bowl of warm water and soak a cotton pad. Then after that, place it on a blackheads and whiteheads affected area for 1 minute. This step really helps to open up your pores. First, we're gonna need baking soda. I have given all the information about baking soda in my previous blackheads and whiteheads removed video. Please go and check this out for more information. Then we're gonna need the plainest type of toothpaste. Mint flavored toothpaste is also helpful, and a toothbrush. First, we're gonna need a bowl and then add around ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're gonna need ½ teaspoon toothpaste. You will need to ensure that you use only the proper type of toothpaste. It needs to be the white paste kind and not the gel kind. Toothpaste method is highly recommended by a number of DIY experts and average people, but it is not recommended by doctors. Then add a few drops of water and mix everything well. Then apply the mixture on your nose area and chin area using toothbrush. Massage the mixture gently in circular motion for 2 to 5 minutes. Blackheads and whiteheads are typically black or yellow pimples. It occurs when skin pores become clogged with dirt, oil, dead skin cells. They are simply pimples without skin. Then after 5 minutes, remove the mixture from your nose and chin area using paper napkin and then wash it off with cool water. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Feels so good. So smooth. Wow. Thank you, guys. Can you see? It really works. So yeah guys, this is my so far best DIY. I hope you guys really like this video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please click that red button. And what else guys? Until we meet, hasta la vista. Much love.